Hey guys, what's going on? So today in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to get free Stripchat tokens. So don't cry, this is legit. Because a lot of people, like I see these bad videos on YouTube on how to get free Stripchat tokens and they don't work. So I thought I'd make my own video. So as you can see, this is the Stripchat mod app and you can see I got 18,000 tokens. But if I press this button, I'm going to add 999,000. So I'm going to press unlock and let's see if it increases the tokens or not. So let's see what happens. All right, should start going up. So let's see. All right, verifying. All right, let's see. It says tokens were activated. Let's see. Yeah, it's going up. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's get into the video. This is fully working, guys. Super cool. So if you guys are broke, definitely try this out. All right, let's get into it. So the first thing is go matrixmods.com. So this site has a lot of like cool games and things like that, like modded games. But today we're obviously focused on Stripchat. So press on it, and then before it downloads is going to be a verification. So this is where you have to download 2 apps, follow the instructions. 100% free from official app stores. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load here, as you can see. So yeah, then we're going to be good to go. We should have unlimited tokens. So as you can see, it says almost there. Additional files are required. So we have to download some of the additional files. They're all from the App Store. So like Family Island says reach level 11. It's a game, so I could do that. Or I could do like Mode Casino, Travel Town. The apps will be different depending where you live, but just make sure you do like 2 of them, guys, and you should be good to go. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, but that's how to get it for your device. Super awesome. So I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, be sure to subscribe to the channel if you guys are interested. This is super cool and it fully works. So yeah, I mean, get the word out, guys. This is epic free method for Stripchat tokens.